The difficulty of repair, at least in part, reflects growth in the number of products that incorporate sophisticated technology. It is now commonplace for cars, fridges, and even coffee machines to have embedded software in them. These technological advances have provided many benefits to consumers, but can also increase the cost and complexity of repairs. The rise in tech-enabled products means that much of the information required to diagnose a fault is digital. Embedded into the product itself and held behind digital locks, requiring passwords or special tools to bypass. In Australia, consumers are entitled to a solution of repair, replacement or refund if a product or service they buy doesn't meet one of the basic rights. These basic rights are known as consumer guarantees.